Chapter 2 Introduction to Windows 7. Important points: 1. Introduction to Windows 7. 2. Features of Windows 7. 3. Understanding files and folders. 4. Creating files/folders on desktop. 5. Creating a new file in the folder. 6. Various components of Windows. Hello children. Today I am going to tell you about the most important software that is needed to operate a computer system. It is an operating system. It helps to start and work your computer. Let us read more about this system in detail. Introduction to Windows 7. An operating system is a master program designed to run other programs on a computer. It is considered as the backbone of a computer that manages both the software and the hardware resources. Some of the popular operating systems are MS Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Starting Windows. Microsoft Windows is the most common operating system being used today worldwide. It is a graphical user interface (GUI) based operating system because there are graphics which are used to communicate with the computer. You can perform different actions by clicking. That's why it is a user-friendly software. There are many versions of Windows such as Windows 98, 2000, XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, etc. Windows 10 is the latest version available. Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. Let us discuss about the Windows 7 in detail. Features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has a very attractive look with colorful themes. It comes with new and improved features and faster speed. It has security tools that are used to keep your computer more secure. The control panel in Windows 7 allows you to change the display settings, add or remove programs, and change date and time. It also helps to manage different resources and functioning of the computer system. When you switch on the system, a welcome message of Windows appears. After this, the Windows screen appears. This screen is known as desktop. On the Windows desktop, there are 3 important things. 1. Start button. 2. Icons. 3. Taskbar. Understanding files and folders. File. A file is a collection of data. Whatever you save on a computer is saved as a file. Various operations like saving, deleting, renaming can be performed on a file. Folders. A folder is referred to as the container of one or more than one file. There are cases when we need to keep similar files in it. It helps us to keep our work organized. Like a school bag contains your school books, similarly a folder holds many files in it. Computer libraries and their uses. A library stores all the various files that we store in a computer. There are 4 main libraries in the computer by default. They are stored in the libraries folder of the computer. These are as follows. Documents library contains all the document files. Music library contains all the music files. Pictures library contains all the image files. Video library contains all the video files. Steps to open computer libraries. Let's learn the steps to open the libraries. 1. Turn on the computer. 2. Click on computer icon. A new window will open. 3. Click on libraries. The libraries folder will open and all the libraries will be displayed. Working with files and folders. Just as you can rearrange the contents of your bag by taking out books and adding some more books, similarly, the contents of a folder can be rearranged. Folders basically ensure better organization of files. Creating files or folders on the desktop. A file or a folder can easily be created on the desktop. The steps are: 1. Right-click the mouse button on the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. 2. Select the new option. 3. Click on Folder to create a new folder. The icon for a folder will appear on the desktop. 4. Type the name of the folder at the cursor position and press the Enter key. Example, Drawing. Creating a new file in the folder. 1. Double-click an already created folder. 2. Right-click anywhere in the window of the folder. A menu appears. 3. Click on New. A submenu will appear. 4. Click on Microsoft Office Word document to create a new text document. 5. Name the file as document. 6. Double-click the file to open it and type some text in it. Various components of a window. A window has many components. Although parts of every window are different, all windows share some parts in common. Let us have a look at the various components of a window. 1. Navigation pane. 2. Toolbar. 3. Back and forward buttons. 4. Address bar. 5. File list. 6. Control buttons. Close, maximize, minimize. Navigation pane. It shows all programs, files and folders available in the current window. Toolbar. It contains options to perform common tasks. Back and forward buttons. These buttons are used to move to the previous or the next window respectively. Address bar. It displays the name of current file or folder or the program name if you are working in a file. File list. This is where the contents of the current folder or library are displayed. Buttons. Buttons are present at the top on the right side of a window. These are used to control the window. Minimize. This button hides the window. Maximize. This button enlarges the window to fill the whole screen. Close. This button closes the window.